up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today is the day for the giveaway, okay? So today we're gonna pick the winner. Okay guys, before we continue, I wanna give a special thanks to everybody for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers, okay? I'm very happy and thank you for you guys to supporting my channel and subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell, okay? Also check out my t-shirts. I have very cool styles for the Corollas and more on the Teespring/Shine Graphics. I'm gonna put the link on the description over there so you can browse on the website, pick the style that you like, click buy and select the size and the color, and that's it, you can get it. So please support my channel with a cool t-shirt, okay? Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna be, okay? For the winner, he can pick the body kit for his Corolla for the 2014. So 2019, the Corolla sedan, okay, the 4 doors like this one, not the hatchback, okay? But if the winner doesn't have a Corolla or already have the body kit on his car, I have an option. The winner can pick an iPhone XR, okay? So this one is available for everybody. If you don't want the body kit, you can get an iPhone XR, okay? Body kit or iPhone, okay? So let's go ahead and pick the winner. Okay, for the comment that we're gonna pick, the only thing it has to be a positive comment, okay? No hate comment will win. This is the rule, so because I'm doing the giveaway, I put the rules, okay? No hate comment is gonna win the giveaway. I wanna give this for the people that are supporting my channel, okay? For you that are supporting my channel, okay? So let's pick the winner. Okay, now we're gonna pick the winner. I'm gonna use a website called Mini Web Tool, and that one I'm gonna paste all the comments so I can pick one name from all the videos, okay? Because the other way, there's another websites, but you can only pick one winner from each video. So since I'm doing this from a lot of videos, I'm gonna use this tool, okay? So let's pick the winner. Okay, from here. From here, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I'm gonna copy all the comments and then I'm gonna paste it on the other website. Oh, it's a lot of comments. Oof. Okay. Now I'm gonna paste them here. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing for all the videos. Okay, so on that one I'm gonna put it super fast. Okay.
One eternity later.
Okay, okay, this one was hard, so now we're gonna pick the winner. Okay. Okay. And the winner is we have to do it again. Okay, we have to do it again because this is not a name. It has to appear a name in order to be a winner. Okay, let's do it again. And the winner is okay, let's try it again. The third one should be the winner. Okay, do it again. I'm gonna continue doing this until a name will appear, okay? Okay, I think we got it. And Emmanuel Rivera, you're the winner, okay? That's all. I just found him. He's in this video. I had to check that he was in here. So on the Corolla full body kit video, the comment, it's all the way here. Right here is, he is the winner, Emmanuel Rivera. Right here, so he's a real person. Right here you can see it. Congratulations to the winner. Okay guys, thank you for supporting my channel, so congratulations for the winner, and contact me on Facebook. So I'm gonna have a new giveaway, okay, because this is for me to give a thanks for you guys, okay. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube page, okay, so keep checking my YouTube page. I'm gonna put as a main video, okay, for the next giveaway. This one is gonna be super amazing, okay. I'm gonna explain it on the video. It's not gonna be the next one, but it's gonna be soon, okay. I'm gonna let you guys know on my YouTube page, okay. That's gonna be the main video, okay. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Like the video, please. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and hit the notification bell for the next giveaways and more good stuff coming up, okay. See you on the next video.